Alright, today's mission on a brand new 2012 BMW Sertao. We're going to get these Metzler's Tourances off of it. And we're going to go to the Michelin tires. Something I've always wanted to point out to everybody. Every tire has a dot. That dot corresponds to your valve stem. And that should balance your tire. And you can see the same on the rear. There's the red dot. There's the valve stem. And what we're going to put on it,
no problem with the truck.
Michelin T63s.
Oh, the other one that you bought.
90/90 21 front, 130/80 17 rear. And first things first, front tire, you've got an Allen bolt, you've got a star wrench. The toolkit comes with the star. The toolkit does not come with the Allen for this. I don't know that I need that yet. I don't have a manual on it to speak of. So, I'll keep you informed as we go along. Not real happy at this point. Okay. Second thing on the front tire. This is the quick release bolt. The toolkit does not come with this Allen wrench. Heads up. Basically, you undo this, which it does come with. Then you Allen wrench that one out, the long one, and then the tire comes off right out the front. Fantastic deal. Something else to pay attention to, it's got this bushing. It seems to be magnetic. But either way, don't trust it. Just remember, you got to have this bushing to go on that side of the disc. And it's looks like the wider side goes against the rim. Okay, with it off, here's your ABS sensor. Here's your brakes. So we're going to change this tire and put the knobs on, and then we'll go to the rear. Well, I'll show you. Alright, for you guys that change your tires yourself like I do, I'll show you a neat feature I just found. This rim has an arrow for directional. So when you go to these knobs, it's going to have a direction that it has to go also. As soon as I find it. I know it's on this side. Yeah, right there. Right here. So, in this application, it has to be upside down so the two arrows go the same direction. And the T63s don't come with a dot, so they do a decal here, a code reader, that will be the balancing point, so that will match up with the valve stem. So we'll be back.